Hey guys, I am back at you again with another weird product review. This was sent to me. I did not purchase this. I did not go looking for it. It was sent to me by a company on Amazon. I will link their information and the product below if it's something you're interested in. It's kind of a cool little product. It's called the Meco or the Meco. It's a little light. Honestly, it's a you can carry it around, portable travel light, and it's actually what I've been using for the past 2 weeks to film my videos. It's actually blinking at me right now and I'm not really sure why, but I have it charging. So I'm going to show you the product in just a moment, but this little light, you plug it into your camera or into your computer. You can charge it that way. You can take it with you on the go. It stays charged for quite a long time. I've only charged it once in the last 2 weeks. So, like, the battery stays for quite a while. You can, the way it like folds down and compacts itself, you can hang it on anything to take it with you. It would be great. It's actually great for taking still photos for like Instagram if you're into something like that. Or reading, maybe traveling if you're in the car and you want to like read a book, draw a picture, I don't know. But let me show you this product. It's actually pretty cool. My light's is gonna dim a little bit. Oh, sorry y'all. So this is the product. Let me turn it off for you. So it looks like this. It comes snapped together like this. Let's zoom it out a little. Oh, hi, how you doing? Okay, so this is the product here. It's pretty simple. It has like the power stuff on the back, and I think it's called Meco, maybe Meco. It has a little charger port here, so you just plug it in. It comes with a charger, then you just pop it apart, and the light, it's an LED light, and it's pretty sturdy. It's all plastic, so if you want to put this in a kid's room, that would be great. And then the power button's right there, so watch, it's going to blind you. I apologize. It has 3 different settings, so low, medium, and high. And it's like natural light, so it's a very white light. So it is great for filming and such. And let me show you this. This cord, like the stand, is like bendable. You can do what you want with it. Like if you want to do it like this, you could. You want to wear it around your neck for some reason, I don't know. But you could do that. So it actually works really well. So it's great for my little filming setup here. I can just put the light where I need it, and voila! Welcome back. We're in good light. So I just wanted to give you a quick review on that. It's actually a pretty cool little product. When I saw it, I wasn't real sure that what in the world I would use it for. But this company was nice enough to send it to me. It got here fairly quickly. I think they're like $12.99, guys, so it's not like super expensive. So if you're just starting out on YouTube or filming videos or taking photographs and you need a small, inexpensive light in order to get yourself going, I would definitely, I would go ahead and recommend this because, like I said, I have been using it for the past 2 weeks and it works phenomenally. So go check it out. Again, the company is Meco or Meco. I apologize. I don't know how to say this. They have different colors that you can choose from. There's orange, a pink, and a blue. So if you have a color preference, then there's different colors like that. It's super simple. No real excessive packaging or anything. So if that's something you're into, this company has it down. And they ship through Amazon. So, you know, like all Amazon rules apply. If you don't get your package, if your information is stolen, if it doesn't get there in time, Amazon has you taken care of. So go ahead, I'll leave the link below, and if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer, because like I don't think there's anything that I haven't done with this light in the last 2 weeks. I wanted to fully test it out before I got on here and talk to you guys about it, because you know I don't like to tell you guys that something is great if it's not, and you will always get my honest review of my actual thoughts. Nobody can buy me. You can send me all the free things that you want, but if it's crap, I'm going to tell you it's crap. This light is super cool. Not crap. Go get it. You won't regret it if you need something of this sort. So check out the link below. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you have one of these. Let me know what you think of it. So yeah, check it out. I'll talk to you later.